This tutorial will show you how to create green screen effects using the inbuilt feature of keylight. So grab these assets from the video description and let's begin. Grab gunsight_2, drag it to make new comp, and you should have this shot of this guy using this extremely lifelike desert eagle. Double click here on muzzle flash is free, which will open it up in its own little footage window up the top here. Select just one of the muzzle flashes because there's a whole bunch of different ones here, and we are just going to pick this one. So at around the 8:15 mark, choose set in point, which is this little line here, and then move it across to about here, which is where the smoke dissipates, which is 10:06-ish, around there, and then choose set out point. Once that is done, you can then drag it from project panel down here into your timeline, and this is now just the muzzle flash that we wanted, except it has this annoying black bar thing happening, so we're going to use the pen tool to create a mask. And the way this works, choose it, and then just start left clicking like crazy. Don't click and drag, which is a common mistake. Just left click your way around, selecting just the area you want to include, and then finally click on the point you started on, which will then cut out everything. Click back to your selection tool, and then click on your muzzle flashes layer to get these little edge boxes popping up again, because what we have noticed is it's actually shooting the wrong direction. Make sure you've clicked on the muzzle free spot, choose this little square down here, and then you've rotated around. Hold shift while you're doing that, and it will maintain its aspect ratio. And now it's rotated the right direction. So make sure you've got the muzzle flashes section chosen, drag it across, and now we just want to add the keylight effect. And keylight is found under here under keying, and if you've chosen it before, it'll pop up in your quick panel right there. And now all you got to do is tell it which color. So choose the color picker, choose green, and there it is. You now have a muzzle flash. Got to add the timing to it now. Slide the current time indicator until the trigger is pulled, which is about there. And we're going to slide this muzzle flash across like this until it's about the right spot, and then we'll just move it over. We just need a sound effect. So come back over here to project, choose the pistol sound effect, drag it in. And obviously, same kind of thing, we got to slide it across so that its timing is good. About there. Slide it over a little bit, and the timeline should look a bit like that. Let's have a listen. Wow! Alright, there's obviously a bunch of extra shots here if you want to go ahead and copy and paste those. You do that by pressing Ctrl D on the layer. And you could just slide that over, and you can move the second muzzle flash to be in time with the second movement of the gun. And yeah, you can pretty much apply these principles of using keylight to any downloadable green screen effect that you can find. All the assets that we use in this video are free. Thanks for watching.